Hello, welcome friends! So we have here the collectibles of the Friends figure. So let's give you an overview. Friends is an American television sitcom created by David Crane and Marta Kaufman, which aired on NBC from September 22, 1994 to May 6, 2004. So lasting 10 seasons with an ensemble cast starring Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, and Matthew Perry, and David Schwimmer. The show revolves around six friends in their 20s and early 30s who live in Manhattan, New York. Taga New York City pala sila. The original executive producers were Kevin Bright, Kaufman, and Crane. So, eto na. We'd like to see who are these friends. So, I have opened this, the first one. Yes. The first one that I opened was actually Chandler. Chandler. Who was Chandler? Here we go. Here is Chandler. Okay, so it's already open because, of course, we have him here outside. So, ayan, he is the husband pala of this chef here. The chef is Monica. So, this is Monica. She is a chef. And let's try to open this. Ayan, unboxing na po tayo. So, we don't like to destroy that sticker. So, we're going to open it down here. Okay, wait a minute. So, this is the second one. I have opened already the first one, which is Chandler. Wow. Ta-da! Okay, this is Monica, a chef. There you go. Parang mother hen talaga daw siya. She was like a mother hen because she's a chef. Pinapakain niya ang buong pamilya and friends. Ayan na po. This is Monica. How nice, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda kaya nito. Imagine that, yung mga pop figures that the kids are buying nowadays, ito 200 something lang siya. May meal ka pa. Diba? Kaso maano ka lang, mapupurga ka lang sa mga kumain ng mga McDonald's na burger. But anyway, you can give away the burger and you keep the toy, diba? So yan pong ginawa ni Simply Jane. Para makumpleto, total 6 lang naman. Okay, there are only 6. And here is the best friend. Okay, si Rachel. Rachel is the best friend of Monica. Ito po, best friend silang dalawa. And so, Rachel tried to stay in the place of Monica. Okay, in the sitcom, The Friends. Okay, so open po natin. Ito na po. Ayan. Taran! Wow! So, this is our third. Okay. Ayan na, ayan na. Ito, best friends po sila. Ayan. So, she worked as in a cafe. Tingnan nyo naman, meron siyang cup of coffee. So, she worked in a cafe. So, ito naman, chef siya, 'di ba? Chef. Ayan na po. And then, asawa niya po itong si Chandler. Nasaan na yung Chandler? Ito. They were partners. Okay? So, let's go to the next one here. Brother! The brother of Monica is Ross. Here is Ross. He has a monkey on his head. Diba? He has a monkey on his head kasi he is a paleontologist. Ayan, So, I think hirap siya to deal with the people because he is actually an academic. Okay, so actually became a professor in New York University later on in the sitcom. So, ayan po, meron siyang animal on his head. And then, ito, on and off sila. The relationship in the sitcom was actually on and off. Yun po. So, ayan. Did they really love each other? They did, and they had a child. Ang name po ng daughter nila was Emma. So anyway, so siguro nagkatuluyan din sila. Kasi at the end of the sitcom, they actually told each other that they really loved each other. Pero marami pang on and off na nangyari. Eto po, the musician. The musician, may gitara siya. She's bringing the guitar. Ito po, si Phoebe. That's Phoebe. Marami siyang bad experiences in her life. May past siya na, okay, parang namatay yung parent nila. And that's why, what happened was, Phoebe actually had to support herself by singing and using her guitar. Okay, meron tayong we have an audience here, and that is Cloud. Ito, so this is Phoebe. Okay, ayan. And finally, we have here, a playboy. Sabi daw po playboy. Itong si, I'm not really that familiar with the sitcom, but anyway, yun po ang sinasabi nila. We can always research naman and find out later on. But for now, ito lang po ang aking masasabi sa inyo. Si Joey. Here is Joey. Joey is here. Ayan po. Let's open. There you go. There you go. That is Joey. Siyempre, alam naman natin, yung mga playboy, may mga relationship sila, on and off. Mahilig lang talaga sila magpa-cute, diba? But are they really responsible for their relationships? No, I don't know. You judge. So anyway, did they have a relationship? I'm not pretty sure. Sige, tingnan natin, panoorin natin yung ibang mga episodes nila. But actually, why is it that McDonald's choose this? Because at Soler, meron pong event sa Soler. Tinitingnan din ni Cloud. Ang ganda kaya. The toys are very nice. They are standing. Let me see. Lagay natin dyan sa mga boxes nila. Sarado natin to ulit. And let it stand here. So, para makita po ninyo. So, ayan. Sino siya? That's actually Monica. This one, si Chandler is the husband, the partner. Parang mother hen siya because she cooks and then takes care of all of the friends. And of course, we have her brother here. Ang kanyang brother, ang pangalan po ng kanyang brother ay si sarado natin to. Ang brother niya ay si Ross. That's Ross. So, related po sila, no? And then next is, itong best friend. Not this one. But the other one, friends din naman sila syempre. Kasi the friends, Pero, ito po yung fashionista. This one, fashionista na who worked as a barista in a coffee shop. So, ano pong pangalan? What's her name? She is not Phoebe, but she is actually Rachel. Si Rachel pala. Na naging long time relationship with, always on and off in a relationship with Ross. Ito naman, another friend, is the musician of the group. She's the musician of the group. Ayan po. So, ito siya. Si Phoebe. Okay? Who became orphaned. And then, ayan na. So, there you go. We have the 6 friends of McDonald. It's not a Happy Meal, but it's actually the friends meal. Ayan po ito. Lagay natin siya dito. There are 6 of them. 6 of them. Ayan na po. Okay. So, this is Rachel. This is Ross. This one is, sorry. This one is Monica. And here is Chandler. This is Phoebe. And here is Joey. Yee! Alright. Okay, Baby Cloud will be happy to have all of these figures. the Friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you learned something today and enjoyed our episode on the Friends. Let's stay friends forever. Is there such a thing as friends forever? So it's up to us. It's a decision to be made. And let us be grateful for all our friends here on YT. Oh, thank you so much. And mega love shout out to all our supporters. God bless you all.